What if I told you that the truck parked in your driveway, the one you believe is cheaper, is actually draining more money from your wallet every single year? Today, we are doing a real-world cost breakdown of the Ford F-150 Lightning electric versus the gas-powered Ford F-150. No brand bias, no EV hype, no gas lover excuses. Just real numbers, real ownership costs, and real lifestyle impact. If you're thinking about buying a truck in the US, this video could literally save you thousands of dollars. Let's start with the number everyone looks at first, the sticker price. A gas Ford F-150 typically starts around $36,000 to $42,000, depending on trim and options. The F-150 Lightning usually starts around $50,000 to $55,000. At this point, most people say, why would I pay $10,000? $15,000 more for the electric one? And honestly, that reaction makes sense. But here's the truth. Purchase price is only the entry fee. The real cost shows up after you start driving. Now let's talk about daily usage, because that's where the difference becomes obvious. Gas F-150, average fuel economy, 20 mpg, average US gas price, $3.50 per gallon. Average driving, 200 miles per month. That means around 60 gallons of gas per month. Monthly fuel cost, $210, $230, F-150. Lightning. Average electricity cost, 0.15 per cubic odds. Home charging during off-peak hours. Monthly charging cost, $60 or $80. That's a difference of $150 or more every month. Over 1 year. Gas truck, $2,600. Lightning, $900. Over 5 years, fuel alone becomes a huge financial gap. This is the part most truck buyers underestimate. Gas F-150 maintenance includes oil changes, transmission servicing, spark plugs, engine belts, exhaust system, cooling system repairs. Average annual maintenance out $200 on $2,500 F-150 pals. Lightning maintenance. No oil changes, no transmission fluid, no exhaust, fewer moving parts. Average annual maintenance, $400, $600. That's up to $1,000 saved every single year. And remember, as gas trucks age, maintenance costs usually increase, while EV costs stay relatively stable. Let's talk long-term ownership. Gas engines. More mechanical stress, more parts that can fail, higher repair risk after warranty. Electric drivetrains. Simpler design, fewer failure points, lower long-term repair probability. Battery fear is common, but modern EV batteries are designed to last 8 to 10 years or more, often with warranties. For most owners, the battery is not the problem people think it is. Yes, the Lightning usually has. Slightly higher insurance. Higher initial value. On average, $20 to $30 more per month. But here's the balancing factor. Many US states offer federal EV tax credits, state rebates, utility discounts, free public charging perks. In many cases, incentives cancel out the insurance difference within the first year. Now let's combine everything over 5 years. Gas F-150, fuel $13,000, maintenance $6,500, repairs and extras $3,000, total additional cost $22,500 F-150. Lightning, electricity $4,500, maintenance $2,500, charging setup $1,000, total additional cost $8,000. That's a difference of $14,000 saved with the Lightning. Suddenly, that higher purchase price doesn't look expensive anymore. The Lightning is not perfect, and pretending otherwise is dishonest. Charging takes longer than gas fill-ups. Cold weather reduces range. Heavy long-distance towing drains battery fast. Not ideal for constant highway hauling. If you tow heavy loads. Daily. Drive long interstate routes every week. Live far from charging infrastructure. The gas F-150 still makes sense. Choose F-150. Lightning. If you drive daily in city or suburbs, charge at home, want lower monthly costs, plan long-term ownership, choose gas F-150. If you tow frequently, travel long distances often, need fast, refueling everywhere. prefer traditional truck feel. So which truck is actually cheaper? Short-term thinking. Gas F-150. Long-term ownership F-150 Lightning. The Lightning isn't just an electric truck, it's a financial decision. For the right lifestyle, it's not just better for the environment, it's better for your wallet. Now I want to know, would you choose electric savings or gas power and convenience? Comment below. And if you want more real cost breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe.